What's up, guys? Mike here. The past few weeks, the market has been on an absolute massacre. Everybody's just getting beaten up left and right, bleeding out. It is just crazy. But there is some upside to this, and that is that we are about to get an absolute insane amount of discounts. So you guys have to be a little bit positive towards the end, because eventually the market will stop going down. It will start probably moving sideways, and finally it will start going back up. All right, this is not going to be a permanent situation. Just be a little bit more hopeful and take it in. And right now you guys should be absolutely cash heavy right now. All right, I can't tell you how cash heavy you got to be right now, because you got to stop buying the dips. You got to be prepared and be cash heavy as to when to take advantage of these crazy deals and discounts you are about to get. All right, stop buying the dips. That's what I'm gonna tell you guys. That's what I'm doing. I stopped buying the dips. I even sold out plenty of my positions, some of them at loss, because I had to get out. And right now, I am very cash heavy and extremely excited as to getting these 5 stocks that I'm going to be recommending in this video. Anyways, guys, with that said, let's waste no further time. Make sure you guys always smash that like button, hit subscribe. I do have a Patreon page where we are communicating and we are telling each other what to do and how to stay cash heavy and how to take advantage of this falling knife of a market while everything is going down. I am helping a lot of Patreon members out so they can come out above the waters at the end of the day. Anyways, guys, let's waste no further time. Let's begin. Yeah. And let's just begin right down to it. The first one on my list is, of course, none other than Beyond Meat, ticker symbol BYND. You guys, if you know me for being a subscriber long term, you know this is one of my favorite companies that I absolutely love trading. Last time we got it dirt cheap, around $118, and sold out at $219 was where I got out. So that was an absolute insane trade. And a couple months ago, we got it also at $125 and sold out around $160. So this is beyond my favorite trade. I love this company. They are doing very well. They just got some new partnerships with Taco Bell, Yum Brand, McDonald's, McPlant. Of course, Pepsi was just announced recently. That's what led up to this 220 move up. And of course, they have their KFC, Pizza Hut, and Carl's Jr. deals. So this company is doing absolutely insane. They just did earnings, which was awful. All right, it was awful, terrible. I don't know how this company did not crash when they did earnings, but it is now crashing during where everyone is crashing. But anyways, guys, here's where I am targeting to get this company, and my buy zone is around the previous lows. I don't know if it'll go all the way to 114, but it's possible. But usually $125 is when I start adding on these dips. I absolutely love this company, and I think this company has a massive, massive future, especially because everything is about to open up, guys. Everything is opening up. Look at those juicy burgers they got to offer you guys, right? These are absolute must company to have in your portfolio. We are going to try to aim and get this at around 120, 125, and we'll probably run it up to the previous highs, which will probably be around 160. And if we're lucky, it could go to 180. I doubt we'll see 200. That'll be very lucky if we get there, but we are going to run this up to around 160 from 125. That is a absolute must company to be added to your profile. At number 2, we have none other than FSLY, ticker symbol FSLY. As you can see, the RSI is absolutely bottomed out, exactly the area where I love it, below 30 RSI. That is absolutely beautiful. All right, when am I going to get this is probably around the $60 to $62. This is where I want to add. I did not add anything today yet, but we are needing some stability. I'm not going to add anything until the 5-day moving average is trading above this blue line, right? We need some stability. I cannot add anything. If anything, I'll probably won't even add it until it goes below 62. But this is a must company to have. It is a high, fast growth company. It will be going upwards eventually, and will probably hit somewhere between 100 5 to 120, somewhere around there is where I see this company going back up. So make sure you do keep your eye on Fastly. It has a high chance of going back to around 105 to 120 dollars. I am extremely bullish on Fastly. I love trading this company, and it has made several profits. I have traded this company 3 times. Right, I am being telling you this is one of my favorite companies. I've made several videos on this, and we have traded this several times. So make sure you do keep your eye on Fastly. Next company is none other than Advanced Micro Devices, ticker symbol AMD. I'm sure plenty of you guys know this. This company broke the 200-day moving average today, and it is going to be going down pretty heavily from here. I think it still has a little bit more room to go. Probably around $60 is where I can see this going. 60 to 65, it can happen. That's probably a good place to start nibbling and going long, right? And where do I see this company going? Somewhere, again, of course, previous high will probably be around $90. All right, a lot of you think it's going to go to 9,500. It could happen, but I only see what previous high is, and that is around the $88, $90 area. That is our previous high. That is our target to trade from a $60 all the way up to $90. So it's a great trade. And make sure you do keep your eye on Fastly, because it is a high power, AMD. It is also another high power growth stock. It is killing Intel. All right, they are advancing way faster than Intel is. So this is going to be a very high growth company to keep your eye on. Next on the list, we have none other than Palantir, ticker symbol PLTR. Now, this company, you guys know, it is pretty much loaded with government contracts, and they are doing very well during this whole market crash. Look at this. It is just trading sideways and going across every day. This is about to become bullish already, even as the market is just getting destroyed. It is one of the fewest stocks that is actually holding its ground, and it's not dipping even that hard, and it's doing just phenomenally fine. All right, it is not dying, it is not breaking down, it is doing very well. It is actually holding its 5-day moving average, and I like that about Fastly. And Palantir. And I think this company is going to be doing very well. I think if you're going to be loading up any shares, anywhere below $23 to $24 area should be okay zone to start getting some shares. I would love to get some at the $22 range. That would be perfect. But if that happens, that means it's going to break down below the 5-day moving average, unless it shoots right back into it by close. But this is going to be a very nice company to hold. It was actually one of the only companies that was actually in the green today when everything dropped at a massive rate. All right, it is just crazy how everything was dropping today. But this is another high-powered growth company you need to keep your eye on. Wall Street Bets loves this company. They just keep pumping it and posting it all over their board. So this is another company that is going to be pumped up very soon again by Wall Street Bets. So make sure you do keep your eye on Palantir. Number 5, we have none other than Tesla, ticker symbol TSLA. I know a lot of you guys are a huge Tesla fan, and this has been on my list quite several times, and I think this company has a massive uproar to go back on. Right now it's going down, but it has a high potential to go right back up again. All right, where do I see this company going right now? I think it's going to go pretty much down to around 550, 560. It has plenty of room to go down to. So you could start nibbling here on the $600. It did close around 600 today at after hours, but it has plenty of room to go down to around the 550, 560 area. So be careful with this company. It does move up, and it moves quite severely down at the same time. But once it's on a roll, it is going to be on another massive tear just like that, right? We could probably see it breaking all-time high again very soon, probably going back to $800, $900 in the near future once the market stops bleeding out.
Thanks again for watching my video. As always, make sure to smash that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so YouTube could alert you when my next video comes out.
Also, guys, feel free to add me on Instagram. I do pretty much try to post there daily, anything I buy, sell. I try to post there, but pretty much most of everything that's going to be going on is going to be on my Patreon page. So make sure to check that out if you want to follow us, because we are doing heavy trading with each other, and we are talking to each other, and we're telling what to do during this massacre going on. So check out my Patreon page. Also, guys, leave a comment below. Let me know what other stocks you like me to cover in the future videos, or if you have questions on stocks, leave a comment below, and I'd be happy to help you guys out. And also, guys, make sure you take advantage of WeBull's 4 free stocks that you're giving out. 2 when you just sign up to use their platform, and 2 more when you make a deposit of $100 or more. Those will be worth from a minimum of $8 all the way up to $1,600. So check out those 4 free stocks you can get from WeBull. If you want another free stock, FirstTrade gives out pretty good stocks. Check that one out. And if you want another free stock, of course, Robinhood gives out free stocks as well. All those can be found in the link in the description box below. Thanks again for watching my video, and until next time, make money with Mike.